Hi, I'm Josh with RX Solutions, and I'm going to show you how we use our RX Solutions CT systems to scan and measure the internal geometries of a part. So we'll start by putting the part in the system on the rotation stage and making sure that it's in the field of view of the X-ray beam, so the X-ray light can get through it and we can acquire data. So the first step is acquiring images. We have our part in the system and we have X-rays going through the part, and we can acquire radiographic images like this. To do a full scan, we take images of the part at thousands of different angles so we can get a full 360-degree picture of the part. Once we've acquired all of our images from the CT system, we can take all those images and use a reconstruction algorithm to put them all together to make a 3D model of the part that we scanned. Once we have our 3D model, we can do lots of different types of analysis, like porosity analysis or dimensional analysis of features, both internally and on the surface of the part. So if you're working with parts with complex geometries, internal voids or inclusions, or any other internal feature that you want to articulate and measure, CT technology could be a really useful tool. If you want to learn more about CT technology, go to crosscode.com and search for our RX Solutions CT systems.